Guys, welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can delete your Genshin Impact account. So you cannot delete your Genshin Impact account through your game, so you just need to go ahead and come to this website over here that says hoyoverse.com. And once you're in this website, just go ahead and log in with your Genshin Impact account or your Hoyoverse account, and you would be here in Account Center. And once you're in the Account Center, just go ahead and tap on personal information right here, the second option, and now you can see it right here that says delete account. If you want to delete your account, you can just go ahead and tap on request to delete account. It says right here that if you delete your account, you will not be able to restore your account once this process is complete. Please proceed with caution. So guys, you need to think it very carefully on why you want to delete your account, and only after thorough consideration you should request to delete account. Just go ahead and tap on request to delete account, and after a while you'd be able to delete your account of Genshin Impact. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.